Oh, shit. Tee. Lost the damn lash. What's up, guys? It's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. And of course, if you are returning, shout out to you for coming back. Today's video is going to be a review try on for the new Velour Beauty Vegan Luxe Lash. Now, Velour Beauty has a new collection out, which is going to be a line of vegan lashes. They're now moving away from mink and using synthetic fibers to mimic real mink hair. So we're definitely going to get into a try on and review of the new lashes. I am wearing a pair right now, and these are definitely my favorite from the collection. But if you're interested in seeing more of the lash styles, keep on watching. Alright, so I definitely want to talk a little about this collection before we get started. Rethink Mink. Meet our highly anticipated Vegan Luxe Lash collection, which mimics the look of mink lashes. You won't believe it's not mink. We're gonna see. Available at velour.com and exclusively at Sephora US, Canada, Middle East, and Asia. 1 year in the making, our unique Vegan Luxe fiber technology creates the most innovative, cruelty-free synthetic lash that mimics the look and feel of real mink with 25 plus wears. Now, Velour Beauty is definitely one of my favorite lash lines. I feel like if you're looking for something super dramatic, they're definitely going to give you what you're looking for. So like I said, I'm really excited to see more about this line itself. Test the lashes out, do a little try on for you, and of course comment on how comfortable they feel and also the actual fibers that they're now using instead of mink. Let me know which lash style is your favorite below. So here's for the try on. So I have my lashes here, and I love how it comes in this cute little like reusable pouch. I believe it is waterproof as well, so that is perfect. I definitely can see myself using this for like travel or something like that. And in our bag we have our lashes as well as some additional items, including a Too Easy lash applicator, and we have the Lash and Go eyeliner and lash adhesive hybrid. So for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to use this, partly because I really want to make sure that you guys are able to see what the lashes are going to look like without liner. And I'm just going to use like regular lash glue for the sake of this video. And in this collection, we have 5 pairs of lashes. The first lash we have is the CEO lash. Next up is going to be Sassy But Classy. Next up we have Lash Next Door. Then we have Wispy Me Away. I feel like the name is really cute. Also, the style is really cute. And then lastly, I have another favorite. This is the Can't Be Tamed lash. So we're done with the try on portion of the video. What I have to say about these lashes is that they feel exactly the same as the mink lashes that I have from Velour Beauty. I love that they're super lightweight. I love that the bands are thin as well. I honestly hate a super thick band, partly because if there's a day that I want to wear lashes without applying liner or anything like that, I feel like having a thinner band definitely helps to make the lashes look as realistic and more natural as possible. So that's definitely one thing. Like I said, the lashes are super lightweight, which of course is another thing that I find to be important, especially if you're going to be wearing lashes for a duration of time, any, long period of time. Lashes tend to feel heavy after a little while, and I feel like without the added weight of the heavy lash itself, it definitely helps. I feel like I said, they're lightweight, and I can definitely wear these for a good stretch of time and be okay. Like, my eyelids won't be doing crunches or anything like that, getting a workout. They feel good on. The hairs of the lashes as well. That's also something that I needed to talk about, especially with these being vegan Luxe lashes. I honestly think that Velour really got it with these. Partly because I was worried about lashes like this, and I always feel this way, unfortunately. I find that a lot of brands, that when they go the synthetic route, I feel like it honestly feels and looks synthetic-y. Like, I don't even know if synthetic-y is a word, but they almost feel like plastic, in other words. And these lashes, they feel amazing. Like, they feel like real hairs. And like I said, it's super lightweight. They're really comfortable on. And I really think Velour is doing a really good job with moving the vegan direction when it comes to lashes and things like that. If a brand can be cruelty-free and still deliver the same punch, I think it's something great, especially in the year 2021. I feel like that's something that should be, I don't want to say applauded, but when brands are making the right, changes, for beauty, but also, for the world and other things like that, I think it's definitely something to be noted. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this try on review video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your favorite style down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.